Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Genius. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fully uninstall and reinstall Google Chrome step by step. If Chrome is giving you problems or you want a clean setup, follow along carefully. I'll make sure everything works perfectly by the end. First of all, if you have the Chrome setup installer, that's great. If not, you will need to download it. To do this, open Chrome. If you want, you can also use Microsoft Edge for this process. Search for download Chrome and hit enter. From the search results, open the official link from Google. It usually appears on second from if you are using Chrome, and if you are using Microsoft Edge, it can be appear on top. Once you open the link, you will see a download button. Click it and let the installer download. After the download completes, close the browser. Now go to settings, then find the app section and uninstall Chrome. During the uninstall process, if you face any issues like Chrome is still running in the background, check if Chrome is minimized. If not, open Task Manager, go to the Details tab and end all Chrome related process. After that, try installing Chrome again. While uninstalling, make sure to check the box that says also delete your browsing data. This time, it will install completely. Now press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type the code provided in the video description and press enter. If nothing opens, it means Chrome has been fully uninstalled. But if a folder opens showing Chrome related files, delete that entire Chrome folder manually. Usually this step is not needed, but sometimes Chrome's download fully uninstalled due to internal issues. In that case, manual deletion is necessary. Once that's done, you can now reinstall Chrome. Use the installer you downloaded earlier and run it. Click yes when prompted. It will start downloading the latest version of Chrome from the internet. So make sure your internet connection is active. After the download is complete, Chrome will be installed automatically. Here, if you don't want to sign in, you can skip it, but I recommend signing in with Google account, especially if you use Chrome regularly. This will sync your bookmarks, history and passwords. Once signed in, you will see an option to turn on sync. Click yes, I am in. If you mostly perform your tasks using the Google Chrome browser, then click on Set as Default. A settings will open. From there, go to Web Browser section and select Google Chrome. When prompted, choose Switch Anyway. This will successfully set Chrome as your default web browser. That's it. Your Chrome is now fully set up and working properly. Everything has been cleaned and restored from scratch. If you follow these steps, you won't face any issues. I have also uploaded some useful videos related to this topic. You can find the playlist link in the description below. Do check them out. I have shared some amazing Chrome tips and tricks in those videos. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.